Making a stock solution. What is a stock solution? This is the cabinet where we store our chemical solutions we use for labs. Let's take a look. For example, aluminum sulfate, 0.1 molar. We have ammonium hydroxide, ammonium oxalate, barium chloride. Here we have some calcium chloride, 0.1 molar. Here we have some copper 2 chloride. We used that for a lab once before, 0.5 molar. Now, how do we make these particular solutions? Let's take a look. Let's say we want to make a 0.5 molar solution of copper 2 chloride. This is copper 2 chloride. To do it, we're going to use what's called a volumetric flask. It is a flask that can measure very precise volumes. On the stem here, there's a line. When we fill exactly up to that line, we will have exactly 100 milliliters, plus or minus 0.1 milliliters. It's a volumetric flask. So we have to figure out how many grams to put in there to make 100 milliliters of a 0.5 molar solution. So we'll have to first figure out how many moles that we need. Now, the formula is CuCl2, copper 2 chloride. We want to end up with a solution that is 0.5 molar, or moles per liter. Therefore, we're going to have to figure out how many moles divided by the number of liters, in this case 100 milliliters, or 0.100 liters. And to solve for x, x is going to be 0.5 molar, moles per liter, multiplied times 0.100 liters equals 0.050 moles of copper 2 chloride. Now, when we weigh this out, we're going to have to weigh out the number of grams and put that into our flask. So we have to convert our moles into grams. So we'll need the molar mass from the periodic table. Copper 2 chloride, CuCl2. So we'll have to calculate that. Copper is 63.55 plus 2 times chlorine, which is 35.45, gives us a molar mass of 134.45. So taking our 0.050 moles, multiplying it times 134.45 grams per mole will give us the number of grams that we need to make our solution. 6.72 grams of copper 2 chloride. Okay, we're going to weigh that out onto a piece of weighing paper. First what I'm going to do is put a crease in it, and then I'm going to put it on the scale, hit 0 or tear, and try to get as close to 6.72, actually as precisely as possible, 6.72 grams. All right, getting close, 6.66. And there we have it, 6.72 grams. We add this to our volumetric flask. Add some distilled water to the flask. Not filling it up all the way. And then we can swirl and shake until it's all dissolved. The last thing we got to do then is add enough water to fill it to the precise volumetric line. And we'll do that with a precise dropper bottle. Let it sit till the bubbles are gone. Then we'll add water till we get to the volumetric line. And we're done. Our stock solution of copper 2 chloride.